Hello, namaste, and welcome to my channel dream.catcher.meera. In this video, you will see how I further use my Vienna Pass for the second day morning, which includes Schoenbrumm Palace, Schoenbrumm Zoo, Schoenbrumm Gardens. The rest of the day trip will be continued in my upcoming video, so stay tuned and dare to dream, travel to discover. I'm ready all to go to explore the new end of the city. So unfortunately there are some tram routes blocked today because of reconstructions things, and I need to go walking for 10 minutes to fetch another tram station. I am looking forward to a station where it can take me to Schoenbrunn Palace. Schoenbrumm Palace is one of the biggest palace in Austria. It is a summer palace of the king, and it has lots more to see inside. It has a museum, it has a zoo, it has a garden. If you need to go to Schoenbrunn Palace, you need to really plan your trip in advance, otherwise you really take a big time to explore the complete site of Schoenbrunn. If you have a Vienna Pass, you get entry free in zoo and also the museum. So morning walk is good, but not at the time of exploring the new city. But still, let's go and explore the city. As I got into the metro, what I saw was almost an empty metro. I mean, can you imagine one single hour of the day at the Delhi metro or Mumbai local train station with at least 1/3 empty metro? Being an Indian, when I stepped into these for the first time, it was strange for me. But as I'm currently living in Germany, now I'm pretty much used to these. They read books, listen to music with headphones, or just sit doing nothing. It may be discipline, but sitting silent, talking to no one, makes the way pretty much boring for me. But anyways, this is Vienna, the capital of Austria, which is beyond the metro. As I stepped out at Schoenbrunn metro station to start my excursion, I was welcomed by a street music artist which brings life to the streets and perfectly depicting the charm of Europe. Finally, I arrived at the Schoenbrumm Palace, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As I mentioned earlier, it was the main summer residence of Habsburg rulers located in Sightseeing, Vienna. The 1441 room Baroque Palace is one of the most important architectural, cultural and historic monument in the country. We are not allowed to take cameras, so I have to leave my bag at the garderobe. Unfortunately, I cannot picturize it. I would like to mention here, with the Vienna Pass, you have a free entry to the palace, and it also includes the grand tour of Schoenbrumm Palace. I wandered through the 40 authentically furnished rooms, including the stateroom and the private apartment of Franz Joseph and his wife Elizabeth, or Sisi as she was commonly called. At the Schoenbrumm Palace, at the station of Panorama train, this train goes round the whole area of the Schoenbrumm Palace. It's a very huge area, and there are several kind of stops, at least 5 to 6 different stops, which goes to all the different places, garden, as well as the zoo, as well as the other beautiful sites in the palaces. If you are taking a Vienna Pass, as I have did it, all these things are included. Otherwise, you have to pay tickets for the Panorama train. For the adults it's 8 euros, for the children it's 4 euros, and there are 2 beautiful gardens where you have to be where you have to pay for the tickets, one organic garden, and another garden which is behind the Schoenbrumm Palace. These both gardens you have to pay, otherwise the rest of the area is open for the public, where you can just roam around and spend the whole day. I think the panorama train is a good option, where you can just take a whole look of the entire area of the Schoenbrumm Palace. Finally, we have got into this panorama train and successfully got the place into it. On our way in a panorama train, I saw the balcony from where the Princess Elizabeth, Sissi, used to glance her private rose garden. Badenhaustukel, where the king had made bathing facilities for over 1,000 workers, and the Autobahn, which the emperor only used once at the opening ceremony. As we moved forward, we entered into the actual gardens of the palace. Each area is given a different name. The area of the palace ground is about 170 hectares, or you can say 420 acres. As we moved forward, I got down at the stop of Palm House and Schoenbrunn Zoo. The Palm House was built in 1881-82. It is made up of iron and glass and has 3 different zones: a cool house to the north, a temperate zone in the central, and tropical zone in the south. It was the last of its type to be constructed in a continental Europe. For me, the Schoenbrunn Zoo was more exciting than the Palm House. It has from A, anteater, to Z, zebra, and it is not only Europe's but also world's oldest zoo.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
I'm just loving this atmosphere. It is just wonderful seeing all kind of animals. Actually, there are 700 species of different animals, so you can see from all over the world. From hippopotamus, Chinese panda, Australian koalas, snakes, birds, giraffes, and everything you can figure it out over here. As you can see, these are the giant hippopotamus here right behind me.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We are lucky to see these white pandas. So cute.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
I mean, it's so wonderful when you get to see all kind of different animals in one place. It's just like the world is so small. People say that 50% of the land in Vienna is covered by green plants, flowers, and herbs and small shrubs. This is wonderful. People can get so much of fresh air over here. Although there is traffic, it is fully crowded. You cannot just Imagine that this city is so calm. Unlike on Saturdays and Sundays, that's a different story. Everywhere around Germany or in Austria, even in Switzerland, Saturdays and Sundays, the roads are pretty much empty.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found this video informative and helpful, let me know in the comment section. Also let me know if you didn't found it good, and also give me suggestions where I need to improve myself. If you haven't watched my previous video, Vienna in a ring tram and Vienna vlog episode number 2, do watch it, because it do contain some informative information that you should know. And do hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and let the world know about the different places, different beautiful places in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that in my next video, which comes every Sunday, you will be getting notifications. So keep watching. Dare to dream, travel to discover.